Hello everyone, and for this week, for our cooking tutorial, we're gonna do something simple. This is called a mashed potato, and it's a basic. We'll just edit that out. This is a basic recipe for Westerners and American homes. They do this every day. This is like their rice or something. So anyway, the first thing you need to do is you need to peel and wash your potatoes. All right. You need to slice them up into small bits, small sizes, so that when you mash them, after you boil them, they are easy to mash. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to wash away the starch of the potato. So you do that by just simply washing them and then thoroughly, so it won't be starchy. Okay. Now, for our mashed potato, we're going to mix it with butter, which is the basic ingredient. Butter and a bit of cream, and I guess some Parmesan cheese as well. All right. There are a lot of recipes for mashed potato, but we're gonna keep it simple for today. If you wanna add more ingredients to your mashed potato, you're welcome to do so. You can put in like chives. You can put in some chili powder as well, or some green onions, if you like. Okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash this. I'm just gonna move it. And see those starches come out. If you don't wash them, they're gonna become very sticky. Okay? So you just wanna wash that out before you start boiling it. Let's go. Alright, we're boiling our potatoes and it's been 10 minutes already, and I think it's already. If you want to check if your potatoes are ready for mashing, what you do, you get a fork and then just pierce one, and if it easily falls off, then it's ready. But in this case, I don't think it's ready yet. It's soft already, but not as soft as you want it to be. Okay. So we're gonna wait for 5 more minutes to let it really soften. Okay. What you want to do is you want to soften your potatoes, so when you're doing the mashing, it's easier for you. For the final step, when you're making your mashed potato, you take it out of the pot, okay, and it's soft enough already. You're going to check it. Now, this is the part that you actually mash the potato, okay? So, there are a lot of devices out there available in the market. You can check out Amazon, you can check out Lazada. There are like machines and tools that will help you mash your potatoes better, okay? For me, I'm gonna do the traditional tool, okay? I don't like saying that word tool, but what's another word? Anyway, tool, but this is what we use traditionally to mash it, okay? So you just take out the potatoes, they're very soft already. So you mash them thoroughly, and take note that they're still very hot. Okay? Now, you can wait a little to let them cool down, but it's actually better if you mash them while they're still quite warm, quite hot. Okay? That way, you can mix in the other ingredients, and it's easy for them to incorporate their taste together. Like for example, it's still quite warm, and what you need to do, you need to add butter. You can easily add the butter because it's still very hot. All right, so you put in the butter, about 3 tablespoons. Okay, and then you mix it well. All right. Now, some people love it buttery, so me, I like it buttery, so I'm gonna put more butter. And if you wanna use white pepper, which is better, so that you will not see the black things there, you'll use white pepper. But for me, I don't have white pepper, I'm gonna use black pepper instead. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some black pepper there, and then some salt, of course. And then cream. Okay. Alright. So there's around 2 tablespoons of cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, for potato which is around 500 grams or half a kilo. Okay. This is good for 3 to 4 people already. 3 to 4 persons. So you just mix that in. You keep on mixing, keep on mashing, and let it cool. Okay? Then there you have it. It's mashed potato. And it's actually delicious already. Okay? Now if you want to add in more flavor, you can use Parmesan cheese. Put that there. Alright, and then mix it well. Okay? If you wanna explore your creative side, you can put this in a piping bag, and then when you serve it on the plate, you can pipe it in and form some shapes. Okay? But otherwise, you can just, serve this in the middle of the table, put it in a plate, and just let have anyone take from it. Okay, so that's your mashed potato already. It's very simple, very easy to make, and it's quite delicious, if I do say so myself. All right. This is perfect for Western dishes if you want to make like a burger steak or grilled beef steak. Or salmon actually. So here we have the mashed potato, which is now ready, and you can move on to your next dish.